Hey friends of mine, this is step 7 in the Mastering Your Year series. My name is Alina Dompt, for those of you who are new around here, and I love digital planning. This is a 10-step series, and step 7 is devoted entirely to getting your house in order. This is essentially a quick and easy start to preparing for the year ahead, or perhaps you've just gotten your new planner and you'd like to start fresh. Right here is a great place to start. That being said, make sure to go back and watch the previous steps if you haven't so that you are better prepared for this one. So let's jump right in with these daily chores. You're going to want your sticker book open and you are going to want to have an idea of the chores you would like to see done every day. I would also take a look at your daily spread and see where you would like to place your chore card. There is a spot that is perfect for it in the bottom right-hand corner if you have a lot of chores, but otherwise you could place the small card up at the top. But before you place it in your daily spreads, build it into your daily chores section. There are a plethora of little chore buttons that you can use on your cards, but I would love it if you would comment below some chore buttons that you don't see that would be absolutely necessary for you. This will help me to know what to make and release this year for you to use. For now, I am going to build my card with my own daily chores. Moving on to the weekly chores. Now you can either opt to make another chore card and place it on your weekly spread, or you could simply organize them on this list to the side and then make sure to copy and paste your list and buttons onto your daily or weekly pages. We had daily, weekly, and now monthly. Do the same thing here. Decide if chores need to be repeated twice a year or quarterly. You have the power. And we can't forget the purge page. This is one of my favorite spreads. Every week I pick a purging area to completely clean out, and by the end of the year my whole house has been purged. Then I start over again the next year so that I never find myself keeping things that I don't need or forgetting that I own things that would actually be useful. It really cuts down on all of the clutter. And let's not forget the home projects. My husband and I have owned a house for over a year now, and we have taken on many projects. It's a real fixer-upper, but the only reason we have stayed on top of the projects is because I always have a list of what we need to do and in what order. That way we can budget our time, energy, and money for each project and be on the same page. Currently, I am building my husband a chicken coop for Christmas, and then we will focus on our upstairs landing and getting stuff up on the walls. And lastly, I'll be sewing a second set of drapes for our TV room that are a lovely copper mesh. Thank you for joining me in step 7. In step 8, we will be focusing on finances for this year. Step 7 has given us a plan for getting our house in order for the new year. And now in step 8, we are going to focus on our budgets, our savings, and even our shopping wish lists. Finance planning can be fun, so stick around for that next piece of the Mastering Your Year puzzle. Every cent counts.